This is silk velvet fabric that I dyed with various types of natural dyes. These three here were with madder root. This was with cutch. This is my preliminary sketch. This is the inspiration piece. It's a southern magnolia seed pod. And under this beautiful, majestic boy, there you go, Frankie, go away. Thank you, Oliver. I'm going to start a watercolor drawing. When I get around to stitching my silk velvet, it will not be photorealistic, but I will be deriving some of the colors from the seed pod, which is from this book here that I highly recommend, Trees Up Close, by Nancy Ross Hugo and Robert Llewellyn. It has all kinds of wonderful photos in it. So this will probably be it's not too long to be a short. So we're going to do this. I could probably edit that out. So I'm going to do some color studies with some oil pastels, watercolor crayons, watercolor pencils, and then probably a soft pastel. And I have some Tsukineko inks that need to be used up, so I'll probably do some color studies with that as well. In addition to doing a little study on some muslin fabric. Yes, I actually stamped the date on there. This piece of silk velvet was dyed and then screen printed with cochineal. So I don't know how well you can see the pattern. But I'm going to use that when I make this. I'll do bullion knots, French knots, and various types of knots and stitching to create these really bright vermilion red seed pods, which is what that looks like there. Photography in this book is exquisite. I highly recommend.